First tonight, troubling news of child abuse in Marquette that has led to the arrest of a local doctor and his wife. Earlier today, the Marquette County Sheriff's Office told us Colin and Carrie Irish were arrested earlier this week after authorities learned their 10-year-old child with special needs had for months been repeatedly locked in a closet for hours on end, not even let out to use the restroom. Both were charged with second-degree child abuse, which, if found guilty, could land them 10 years behind bars. Colin Irish has been a doctor in the Upper Peninsula for years. My UP reporter Skylar Perkins has been looking into the case tonight and joins us in the studio.
On Wednesday, we learned Colin and Carrie Irish were arrested on a charge of second-degree child abuse against their 10-year-old.
The Sheriff's Office told MyUP News that deputies were sent to the home on Wayland Drive in Marquette Township to investigate allegations from Child Protective Services. CPS said the parents had repeatedly locked their young son with special needs in a closet for hours. As a result, 3 children were taken from the home, and the parents were taken to jail. Later, Colin and Carrie both posted bond to be released, and while we were able to reach Colin Irish on the phone, he did not want to discuss the accusations. We also spoke to neighbors in the area who said they were surprised by the accusations, saying when they saw police arrive at the house this week, they suspected a medical issue with an older relative who lived with them. However, when they learned the true reason, the neighbors told us they did not doubt the sheriff's claims. Online, community members have raised concerns about whether the allegations against Dr. Irish have had any bearing on his work as a medical professional. Colin Irish has worked as a medical professional in several practices around the Upper Peninsula, most recently his own practice in Marquette and as medical director of Iron County Medical Care Facility in Crystal Falls. After the accusations became public, leaders at that facility said they were working diligently on finding a replacement and that the care and comfort of their residents remains a top priority. Meanwhile, it is still unclear whether his private practice will remain open. We have also learned Dr. Irish has worked in the past at Baycare Medical Center, Munising Tribal Health Center, and the VA in Marquette.
As far as our research has shown, this is the first serious criminal accusation that's been made against Colin Irish, and we have yet to see any sign of what law enforcement said was happening in his home bleeding into his professional work.